القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulillah. Welcome to this part of the lesson, which is Al-Ibtidaa, the startings or the beginnings. The start corresponds with the stop. So previously we've looked at the Al-Waqfat. Now it's very easy actually, this part of the lesson, because it corresponds with the stops. So let's just quickly again have a look at these. This is Al-Ibtidaa al-Tam, Al-Ibtidaa al-Kaf, Al-Ibtidaa al-Hasan, Al-Ibtidaa al-Qabih. So they are just the opposites of the waqfat. So the complete start, the sufficient start, the good start, the repulsive start. So whenever a complete stop occurs, its start will be complete. So the word after its start will be complete. Whenever a sufficient stop occurs, its start connecting its meaning will be sufficient. So its starting point which connects its meaning will be sufficient. Whenever a good stop occurs, starting from an appropriate place which connects its meaning and grammatical structure will be good also. So that will be a good start, al-Ibtidaa al-Hasan. And whenever there is a repulsive stop, starting from that stop will be repulsive and impermissible. Therefore, we must go back to the beginning part of the grammatical structure and meaning to ensure that we are starting. And of course, we want to ensure that we don't make a repulsive start or a repulsive stop anywhere in the Quran and in our recitations. So that's pretty clear and pretty straightforward. So inshallah, you have now completed actually the introduction to the Tajweed course, part 2, and alhamdulillah, that sums up your training on Tajweed. The next parts that you will ever learn in Tajweed will be advanced lessons in Tajweed. So alhamdulillah, by now you have got a very good understanding of Tajweed and how to recite the Quran. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you and make you of those people who are preservers of the Quran, hafidhun, and also make you of the people who are the pious people who recite the Quran day and night and are with those people on the day of judgment who recite the Quran day and night and also teach you to the people, and also inshallah enter you into Jannah because of your recitation.
If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.